This is just a short video of replacement of my half horsepower InSinkErator Badger 5 garbage disposal, which froze up. It wouldn't spin, and then it started to leak a few days later. And you can see inside here, I've already changed it, but you can see inside here that it's pretty rusted up. And I'm assuming it probably rusted right through the bottom and just froze up. But it's been in there for 14 years. They only come with a 2-year warranty, so it did pretty well. This is the model. And you just you pull off the hoses. You can see the fittings are here. That's just slips over with a clamp. This one just attaches with one of these. And there's a seal behind that, rubber seal. That's the old one. And then you can see this is the new one in here, and that's with the pipe reattached. This is just a slip fit where there's a little plastic seal in here, and it just slides down, presses into the pipe. And that's the new pipe that came with it. And then you'll see that's just a clamped on second pipe. And now at the top, that ring spins. It hangs down from the sink, and you'll see that this slips and clamps it. And it comes with a tool for that, which looks like this. And you just slip it in, and then when you turn it, you might need to stick a second screwdriver in there if you don't have two of these to get this to turn if it's really stuck like mine was after 14 years. But if you take these pipes off and then just support it a little bit, turn these, it should come loose, and you'll see that this rubber seal at the top is the same one you see down here. And now it just spins freely, brand new. This one was completely locked up, but hopefully this will simplify it for anybody. Leave any questions and I'll answer them. Thanks. Bye.